Are you ready to start drawing? Then let's tap into that inner artist. One of the biggest game changers for your art journey starts with something so simple, and that's your tools. And today, we're diving into something special every artist needs to understand, and that's drawing pencils. Most of us start out using whatever pencil that's lying around. It's usually a standard #2 school pencil or maybe a mechanical pencil. And that's okay to begin with, but there's a whole world of drawing pencils that can completely transform your sketches. Now, let's break it down. Drawing pencils are labeled with letters and numbers that are indicating how hard or how soft the graphite is. So here's this H that stands for hard, the H pencil. These pencils produce a lighter, finer line that are perfect for layout sketches as well as building instruction. The higher the number, the lighter the line. So 4H is normally lighter than 2H. Let's take this B pencil, which gives 2B to 9B, which shows dark, rich shading. Now B stands for black or bold, and these are softer pencils that create a darker mark, and it's great for shading, depth, and adding drama to your sketch. If you are just starting out, I recommend you grab a small set that includes the ranges like 2H, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B, and this will give you everything you need to sketch, building light tones and adding contrast to your drawing. And you know, some of you like, man, it ain't that serious. I don't really need to have a certain type of drawing pencil. But all actuality, you do, because having a good drawing pencil will enhance your drawing. Start out with your drawings using a 2H or HB, and this is going to help you get your structure in place. Then you can switch to a 4B or 6B to build those shadows and contours. You'll immediately feel the difference in your art. Now, when I first started drawing, I only used to use the #2 because it's all I had. Over time, I've developed and using a full range of drawing pencils, which gives my work more character, more emotion, more detail, and it's helped me to evolve as an artist. And remember, having the right pencils isn't just about the tool. It's about unlocking the potential in your work, and each pencil grade gives you like a new way of expressing yourself. It adds dimension and elevate your drawings. And this is just the beginning. Now, if this helped you, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon and join me for more creative lessons right here at Three Souls Art Studio. Are you ready to go deeper? Then watch the next lesson that you'll see other tools that you'll need to grow as an artist.